Konnichiwa, and welcome back to Gaijin TV. Mikage. We're out in Mikage because they have a Danjiri this weekend. Would you like to have a look at around their shrine? That's actually a particular color, isn't it? Again, walk through the left side of the tori and bow before you go in. There you go. Usually it's a little bit brighter in orange. That's rich. There's the wash your hands, purify, cleanse, charge yourself. Looking a little dry. There's always a special energy around these shrines. It's quiet and peaceful. Kami-sama or kicking it. That's nice. It looks like the Virgin Mary. Ave Maria, tutti plene grazia. I have the yatais. When they have a festival, these things are allowed to pop up and sell yashi pine, baby casutera. They took a page out of the Portuguese. The Portuguese, gonna make the castile. You sell to the kids. Don't make me kill your dog. Let's go up to the shrine and pay our respects, yeah? Alright. Loose talk about some bullshit. Look at that. Lovely. And these side shrines are for different blessings. Could be for babies. Could be for your tests coming up. Always like to shoot the lanterns. And there's usually fake. There's two of them, of course. Then these are cool. That the gargoyles protecting the shrine will have different features. You can see this guy's got a nice evil smile, and this guy's got his mouth open, waiting to tear your face off. All right, let's drop a coin. Say thank you, God. Thanks, God. Kami-sama. I got some chanting going on here inside. See if you can hear it. This is how you do this. And you go, wake up, Daddy. And thank you. Thank you for all your blessings. It's a chick. No chicks. They can't even touch our Danjiri. Almost a fight happened. Here's another one of these little side shrines, and it seems to have a cow theme for this particular Jinja. You can buy your charms. Yeah, this is cool. Look at that. So yeah, that's more in the orange register I was talking about. Side shrine. Fox? Yeah, I think so. Again, this guy's got a scroll in his mouth and this guy does not. Interesting. Five tori. Check this out. Go ahead. It's like Tibetan, but Japanese, and it's got all the animal signs. What's E? See? What's this one? Dog. Inu is the dog. Tori is the bird. Saru is the rabbit. Hitsuji, that's my one. That's the ram. Uma is a cow. Mi, snake? Ooh, don't know. Tatsu is the horse. Tora, the tiger. Nice. Okay, just rolling around and we saw this Skyline vintage. I'm not that much of a motorhead, but as my Turkish friend says, to not recognize beauty is a sin. Look at that bad boy. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, bitches. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. The much anticipated trains leaving Mikage Hankyu Station. And the Danjiri, they just stopped the music, unfortunately, as we started filming. But look at the infrastructure again. How much litter? We are actually taking a census of how... Oh my God! What in the holy hell? Yeah, well anyway, not much. Oh, there it is. Look at the smiles on the faces, everybody. Marvelous. When you protect your culture and don't have people moving in, then you can have Danjiri and everybody win. Look at this. They're so polite. They give space. Oh, marvelous. All right, I'm outie. Don't be Mendo Kusai. Well, isn't that nicely timed? Because that's what it's like, baby. Right in your ear. Woo-hoo! Tomase, tomase! Tomase, tomase! Oh man, I'm such a lousy videographer. I missed them coming out. Oh, they just drag it around. No sense lifting it. There you go. But still, you got the Bozuna, the cornermen, and the grunts in front. Mai Bao, Ushiro Bo, and the dancers, probably the hardest in those shoes. Are the tabi, yane, the roof is difficult. All right, these ninjas are heading out. There we go. So here's one of the seniors on the team marking the way. This guy's gonna tell us to go back. Go back, Kudasai. The green ninjas are heading down the street. Man, I know from doing this in our neighborhood, it's difficult. But look at the joy it brings to all the people. Look at these cameras up here. God damn, I gotta, come on, pitch in for on Patreon. Get us some equipment over here. Yeah, I want one of those. Wow. Okay, the kids first, parade out, and here we go. Go Red. Aren't they cute? Man, pretty brave up there. I'm pretty good with heights, and I was like hanging on to the bloody rope like a pig. These kids are taking it in stride. Oh man, God bless Japan. Thank y'all. So that's the guy. That's the unkoshiki. The bozuna are the cornermen, very important. And look at these little guys up on the roof. That's no easy feat. Muzukashi, yo. Awasai. Just heading back to the station, and we ran into them again. Gambare, boys. Wonderful. Everybody out, baby. Grandpa, grandma, mom and dad, the kids, the fucking dogs and cats are out tonight. So here it comes up the street in the evening time with the actual fire candles and the lanterns. Looks so... Wow, just talked to the dude that was directing the traffic there, and it mentioned that I'm in the Koshikiwa, our Danjiri, and he's like, "Oh, really? I'll come and see your Danjiri." I was like, "Well, thank you. I'll come and see yours tomorrow." And he spoke English a little bit. Wonderful. All right, Danjiri, ganbatte kudasai. Yo-ya-sa!
To Japanese, roaring thunder, a pouring rain. I'm coming on like a hurricane.